OpenTruck. It's a very new initiative that Ross is really driving to really overcome the problems that we face in the middle market for mobile sports production. Frankly, there's an awful lot of small OB type vehicles to do these productions. There's many inconsistencies in the equipment levels and in the expectations of quality from those vehicles. At the same time, there's now a huge demand to cover a much broader range of sports at Tier 2 and Tier 3 and colleges, you know, events. What we really want to see as an industry is more consistency of quality that's, you know, getting the right quality capability from the vehicle. At the same time, we really need to be able to train and educate the freelance operators. We know that that's all, for many mobile operators, that's always a huge task. And so really, we believe that there needs to be both a standard for the actual equipment that's within a truck, and also there needs to be training programs to provide a pool of trained freelance operators that are available. So to that end, firstly, as Ross Video, we've already, of course, built our own systems that interconnect, that communicate with each other, and of course do a very good job. And so we're also working now with other manufacturers to be able to create protocols between equipment so that we can reduce setup time at an event. When we come to the event, we can then hopefully store a file that's the setup of all the various pieces of equipment. So next time that event is needs to be televised, the operator can plug in that file, that USB drive, and we're going to use Dashboard to do that. So we're working with our other equipment partners, and of course, you know, we have such things like Mira from Abekas as replay, which fortunately there's already a pool of trained students. There's been an excellent program that Abekas has been able to run, and so we're going to obviously combine that list of trained operators with our Open Crew site. This is very nebulous at the moment. We've only recently just launched OpenTruck, and you will see if you go to OpenTruck.tv, there's a few pages there. Those will rapidly expand. We will have a link to an Open Crew site, which will be where we'll be publicizing training schedules as well as lists of trained operators on the various components within the truck. And so hopefully over the next few months this will become a real resource for both mobile operators as well as freelancers and of course producers who wish to use those vehicles.